My name is Nikki. I'm the founder of Paws for Giving, which is an online gift store. I set up the website for Paws for Giving all by myself with the amazing support of PageFly, the team, who were able to answer all of my questions and fix all of the problems that I ran into when I had problems with my theme clashing with PageFly. They fixed every single one, and they always fixed it in a really short space of time that just really surprised me. I left them a really great review because I think people should know how great PageFly are. And so if you're thinking about getting an app that is going to make it way easier to build a website exactly how you want it to be built, there's a little bit of a learning curve, but it's worth it, and it will let you do every single thing that you want to do on a website, unlike using templates and any other app that I've ever used. So I do recommend it. You really should get PageFly. It's great.